Hello students, in this e-lecture we will continue with the topic multiplication of matrices. Students, for every square matrix A of order n, the product of matrix A with itself is defined, that is product of A with A. Also we write product of A and A as A square. Similarly, A cube is equals to A into A into A, which is also equal to product of A square and product of A and A square as associative law holds. It means positive integral powers of a square matrix can be simplified and it is also a square matrix of same order. Take one example. In this question, A is a square matrix of order 2. We have to find A square and A cube. First, write A square as A into A. Now in place of A, write the matrix. As A is a square matrix of order 2, so order of A square is also 2 by 2. Write the general matrix for A square. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get a square matrix of order 2 with elements 7, 12, 4 and 7. As A is square matrix of order 2, so A cube is also a square matrix of order 2. To solve A cube, we write it as product of A square and A. In place of A square, write the matrix obtained from product of matrix A with A, that is a matrix with element 7, 12 in first row, 4 and 7 in second row. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get A cube, a square matrix of order 2 with elements 26, 45 in first row, 15 and 7 in second row. Let's take another example. In this question, A is a square matrix of order 3. We have to prove A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I equals to null matrix O. This type of expression is called matrix equation. Here, first we find A square. So write A square equals to A into A. In place of A, write the matrix. Now, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get a matrix A square of order 3 by 3 with elements 5, 0, 8 in first row, 2, 4, 5 in second row, 8, 0 and 13 in third row. Now, in next step, to solve A cube, we write it as A square into A. In place of A square, write the matrix obtained from product of matrix A with A. Now again, following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of these two matrices as shown. We get A cube, a square matrix of order 3 with elements 21, 0, 34 in first row, 12, 8, 23 in second row, 34, 0 and 55 in third row. Now start with left hand side. In place of A cube and A square, write the matrices already obtained. In place of A, write the given matrix. I is replaced with identity matrix of order 3 because addition of matrices is defined only if order of the matrices are same. As order of A is 3 by 3, so order of I is also 3 by 3. In next step, we multiply the matrix A square with scalar 6. It means multiply each element of matrix A square with 6. Similarly, multiply each element of matrix A with scalar 7. Also, multiply identity matrix with scalar 2. In next step, subtract second matrix from first and add the third and fourth matrices. After applying these two operations, we get two matrices as shown. Adding the corresponding elements of these two matrices, we get a matrix with all elements 0 known as null matrix. So we have proved left hand side equals to right hand side. Moving to the next question. In this question, product of three matrices is equal to null matrix O. It is given. We have to find X. For convenience, let's denote the matrix with the elements x minus 5 minus 1 with A, next matrix of order 3 by 3 with B, and third matrix of order 3 by 1 with C. So we have product of A, B and C equals to null matrix O. While taking product of three matrices, we have two options. First is take product of matrices A and B, then we take product of AB with C. Second is take product of matrices B and C, then we take product of matrix A with the matrix BC. We can find product using any one option. But always remember, while multiplication of three matrices, we cannot interchange the position of matrices because in general matrix multiplication is not commutative. So here we start with product of AB. As order of matrix A is 1 by 3 and order of matrix B is 3 by 3, so product of AB is defined and order of matrix AB is 1 by 3. Now write the general matrix of order 1 by 3 for AB. Following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of first two matrices, that is A and B, and we get a matrix with the elements x minus 2, minus 10, 2x minus 8. Now we take product of AB with third matrix C, as order of matrix AB is 1 by 3 and order of matrix C is 3 by 1. So product of AB and C is defined and order of new matrix obtained from product of AB and C is 1 by 1. In place of AB, write the matrix already obtained. Now again following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of AB and C as shown. We get a matrix with single element x square minus 48 as product of A, B and C equals to null matrix. So here null matrix also contains single element 0. By the equality of matrices, we will be able to compare the corresponding elements. So we get x square minus 48 equals to 0. It means x square equals to 48 and x equals to plus minus 4 root 3. Let's discuss one more question. In this question, product of given square matrix of order 2 with matrix X is equal to a matrix of order 2 by 3. First, denote the square matrix of order 2 with A and matrix of order 2 by 3 written on the right hand side with B. So we have AX equals to B. Using this equation, first we find the order of unknown matrix X. As AX equals to B, so order of matrix AX equals to order of matrix B. It means order of matrix AX is 2 by 3. Now, product AX is defined. So, number of columns of A equals to number of rows of X. Here, A is a square matrix of order 2. So, number of rows of X must be 2. Students, we know that order of matrix AX equals to number of rows of A into number of columns of X. And here order of matrix AX equals to 2 by 3. So number of columns of matrix X must be 3. This implies order of matrix X is equals to 2 by 3. Assume the elements of matrix X of order 2 by 3 as A, B, C in first row, D, E and F in second row. Now in the given equation, in place of X, write this assumed matrix. Now following the rule of matrix multiplication, take product of two matrices written on the left hand side as shown. By equality of matrices, compare the corresponding elements. We get A plus D equals to 3, B plus E equals to 3, C plus F equals to 5, D equals to 1, E equals to 0, F equals to 1. Mark these equations as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. Now, solving 1 and 4, we get A equals to 2, D equals to 1. Solving 2 and 5, we get B equals to 3, E equals to 0. Solving 3 and 6, we get C equals to 4, F equals to 1. So, required matrix X of order 2 by 3 contains the elements 2, 3, 4 in first row, 1, 0, 1 in second row. Students, I hope that you all have understood the concept of multiplication of matrices. So try to solve this question. You can also try questions of exercise 3.2 from NCERT. Thank you.